Okay guys, so firstly I will be starting by prepping my skin with the Eucerin Even Brighter Night Cream. This is just a sample, and even though it is a night cream, it is super moisturizing and hydrating, and it's also quite thick, so I just want to layer that underneath the foundation so my skin is very moisturized, and it will also add to the effect of the glowiness to your mermaid vibe.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Okay, so now that the moisturizer is on my skin, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and then I'm just going to put that on top of my moisturizer. I'm just warming it up on my hand so it applies a bit easier. Next, I will just be applying my Makeup Revolution foundation stick. It's this one in the shade F4. It is slightly light, but F5 was a bit too dark, so I'm just going to try and make that work.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm just going to be using a little bit more since I am very red and the red still shines through. I just want to minimalize that. For concealer, I want to really highlight the area, so I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix. It's a foundation, but as you can see, I think it's the whitest shade possible, so I'm going to use that to highlight my face and also as concealer, as it has quite really good coverage.
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
I'll also be putting this on top of my eyelids just to prime that.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Next, I'll be just taking some setting powder and pressing that under my eyes, on my chin, my nose, and a bit on my forehead, so the concealer doesn't crease and move during the day. So make sure there are no creases under your eye.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The remaining bits I'm just going to press into my skin to set my face.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
I don't want to leave that too long because I don't feel it is that necessary, so I'm just wiping it away. There we go. Now your face shouldn't feel very tacky anymore, and if it does, just set it a bit more, but don't make it look cakey. Okay guys, so before I'm going to move on to my eyes, my eyebrows, the rest of the middle part of my face, I'm going to do the gills, whatever you want to call it. So grab yourself a pair of fishnet stockings, any color. The color is basically irrelevant. Just make sure it's clean. So if you've used it before, so if you're just watching this to whatever, just make sure it's clean, otherwise makeup residue will come on your face, or whatever is on you will be on your face. Be prepared for the next part, because I'm not going to look attractive, not that I do now, but it's just going to look bad in every single way possible. So you have to pull this thing over your head before, just while you do that, have with you. Okay, so what you're going to be using for the gills is this a fishnet stocking, any whatever. I'm going to be using my NYX Ultimate, the palette in Bright, really colorful, and then this huge, well not huge, but it's just a blush brush from Body Shop. Okay, so let's do this. Oh hell no. Make sure, I'm sorry, I'm struggling to speak. Make sure it's flat onto your skin and it's not loose or anything like that, because you won't get the full effect if it's not flat onto your skin. You have to make sure it doesn't move, otherwise obviously your gills aren't going to be I can't do this, aren't going to be on the right spot. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the blue, so those 3 colors. I literally just do this. I dab it in all 3 of them, tap that off. Okay, wait. So basically just use any blue eyeshadow, whatever color you want to make it. I'm going to make mine blue and pink. And then you just dab it on top of that. I'll just be using as well this Essence blue eyeshadow that I got a few 100 years ago. And just bring it up to all the places you would normally contour. I just did a bit lighter on my forehead since I just like the way it looks. So I go really intense here. And then I just lightly dab it around my forehead.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with pink above that. So I'm just going to be using a mixture of those colors.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm just going to repeat this side on this side and I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so the moment of truth. Oh yay. Oh, my hair looks ratchet. Okay, I'm so happy this worked. Okay, the top part looks a little bit ranky, but this looks so cool. Cool, so now that I'm looking all kinds of weird, definitely not as weird as in the previous clips though, but you can basically do anything with your eyes. Just try to match it sort of with the look. So go for blue, go for pink, go for green, purple, that vibe. I think I don't know if I want to do pink. I think I'm going to do purple, and then just like purple through my crease. I don't want to do it too difficult, and then just super shimmery and blah blah blah. So okay, so I've changed my mind. I might be doing a purple cut crease, don't know yet. But obviously I'm going to be using my all-time favorite colorful palette, which is the NYX one that I also just used on my face. I'm going to be going in with that lilac color. It does turn out a bit different on your eyes, a bit darker, but I really love it. So I'm going to put that all through my crease and then do a cut crease. Love that.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I decided I'm going to do the cut crease just like this. I'm just going to do it. I'm just using a concealer, the Essence concealer I'm using at the moment. I just put it on my eye like that. I look down, and then you see the perfect line where it's supposed to go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
And then I just pat it in with my finger. And there we go. Are they even? Whatever, you know. And then I'm just going to go in with the dark purple that I used on my outer V again, so I can just blend it with the cut crease outside.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And then I'm going to be using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mini Mascara just to coat my lashes and make me not look like a dead fish.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want.
By the way, I really love this mascara. It really gets into every single lash and does not clump at all. See, it already just looks so much better than the other one. Okay, now onto my probably most used, most loved product, my eyebrow. It's from Rimmel, the Brow This Way, I believe, in the shade medium. It's my holy grail when it comes to brows. Not that I've really used anything else or anything of significant impression.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in 420 Reckless Bloom. It's just this pinky, silvery gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it and give this a try. If you do, let me know. I really liked how it turned out. It's perfect for Halloween, which is any day now. So yeah, if this is a mermaid vibe. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, just like it anyways, because why not? And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.